think back that the makeup distract our studies because when we are doing makeup, so we are
to accept new things and to develop their society.
Think fashion is a kind of distraction for everyone.
It is not good because it is said that education is not the part of a life, it is life.
It doesn't increase our confidence at all.
Think that the fashion is not like a distraction because like if we wear the good dresses, everyone appreciate us and we feel the good. But one people cannot live in one dress. मतलब क्या यूज है इस चीज का? लाइक वी हैव द कीपैड फोन, मतलब हमारा काम कीपैड फोन से भी चल सकता है, तो why do we need the Android phone and the smartwatch also? So I think that the makeup distract our studies because when we are doing makeup, so we are only fake of thinking that we are looking well, we are not looking like this, we are looking like this, we are not studying. But and one thing is there that we are wasting money on our dresses and all. If that money we utilize in our books as the pen, our stationery, so it will help us in our life. But what about if we use that money in our dresses? So one time that dresses came, it will old or so, and when the many students are there who wear one dress only one time. And one thing I want to say, the dress, if any student have a expensive dress and another student can't be able to afford it, so his or her self-confidence got down.
That's good, fantastic. She's saying that about that if you are having the dress that someone is looking at the thing, it is not that the comparison and creation of the comparison. The next one will yes.
So I agree with her because fashion is just not about wearing expensive dress, expensive clothes. We can if someone who don't have so many much money for giving their son iPhone and their son is demanding to their father, I also want to purchase iPhone. So what he will do? How can he give him iPhone?
Next one.
Sir, I prefer to fashionable because we are living in modern time and we should change over the time because it is not for distraction, because whenever we living in society but we have no idea to how to live and how to not, because sometimes we look another persons, after that we can feel and we can struggle and we can hard work, after that we can improve ourselves and society, because nowadays everyone wants to live expensive city and expensive thing. So I think it is for best for us.
Yes.
So I think that the fashion is distraction for the students because we can see that there are so many people like they are saying that we are rich, we are wearing the lots of the things and you have nothing. It is not boosting the confidence of the people. And when you talk about the study, students are not focusing on their studies. It is not good because it is said that education is not the part of a life, it is life. That's all.
No, I don't think that fashion is good because fashion is a distraction, because many people don't focus on their studies. They just distract from fashion, and fashion doesn't boost their confidence. Confidence boost from studies. If we study good and get good grades, and our nature decide our confidence. If we have confidence, our nature is good, then we have confidence. Fashion doesn't increase our confidence at all.
I'm saying that the fashion is not like a distraction because like if we wear the good dresses, everyone appreciate us and we feel the good. And in the modern time, everyone wears the dresses that is in the trend. So that's all from myself.
Yes.
I think that fashion is not a distraction for students because if you do fashion, so you cannot do anything. But if you will study, so you can do anything and you can become anything. But one people cannot live in one dress. For example, children are coming from school and children are not wearing the same dress which they have wear in the school. you see, as you say that children are can't be able to be in same dress. So I want to say one thing that if we are in school, so it is a school uniform. And if we go, why we go in the school? We go in the school for fashion or study. Let answer my question.
Do you go to school for doing studies or for doing just fashion there? The Simans is asking question. Yes.
I think that.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. In my front of you, some people are wearing smartwatch and iPhone. Why? मतलब क्या यूज है इस चीज का? लाइक वी हैव द कीपैड फोन. मतलब हमारा काम कीपैड फोन से भी चल सकता है. तो why do we need the Android phone and the smartwatch also? We can wear lower t-shirt and normal dresses. Why we need to why do we need to buy expensive dresses? That's all from my side, sir.
She is asking the question now that there is no sense by wearing these kinds of things. If you are having that any kind of watch, any kind of mobile phone, you can't be study there. She is asking what is the sense of the things that we are wearing different things. So there is no sense. She is saying that. She is completely disagreed with everything now that whatever we are having. Why you are showing to the people? If you are not having anything, that it means that you are not the student. She is saying there is no sense for wearing anything. Anybody has any strong point to speak? She is speaking about that.
Sir, I agree with her. That it is not regular to. It is not the compulsory to wear the smartwatches, mobile, iPhone, and the many of the like things. Like we can also wear the normal things. And if I want to talk about the another things, why there are dress codes in the school? Why there are the dress code in the college? Why there are dress codes in the office? Because there should be discipline. There should be equality. If a student and equality, and I can see that in the school, in the office, and anywhere we are going, we are not going for that we are not going for the showing the fashion. We are only going for the our work. Like in the schools, we are going for not for the fashion. We are going for the study. In the coaching, we are also going for the study, not for a fashion. But in the office, we are also going for our work, not showing that I have this money, I have that much, I have this.
That's good.
So according my point of view, fashion is not a distraction for education or anybody, because it is a modern era, and should like fashionable things, like most of the students and most of the people also use modern things, and fashion is not a new thing. It is a process, and every society, every civilization do developing by to accepting new trends and new things. So my point of this, fashion is also a need to society to accept new things and to develop their society.
That's I think that is right.
So according to me, I think fashion is a kind of distraction for everyone, like for students, because not everyone can afford the fashionable things and the trending things. So if a person is going in an institute or a coaching classes or school or colleges, so I think that there should be a particular uniform there instead of wearing the fashionable dresses.
Everyone, my name is Shaka, and I think fashion is not good for a student, because student purchase new books, but they purchase new clothes for show off, just show off. Not think about books. They purchase books for our study, but they purchase clothes for show off in Instagram. They post pictures in Instagram.
I think that fashion is not distraction for people. Fashion is a personality of people. If people are in fashion, anybody cannot judge these people. He is in, and fashion is increase our confidence, and self confidence increase our pupil.
According to me, fashion is the good for everyone. If I wearing the new cloth and clean cloth, I can feel always better, and I will be positive. I can think positive, and my confidence level will be high, and automatically. And I am not wearing the good cloth, I cannot feel of negative, sorry, positive.
Fashion is distracted for children in because some students are not afford expensive clothes, but they compare with others and distracted there with and they distract in exams like Instagram, social media.
Fashion is not good for students because of fashion. They don't pay attention on our studies, and they can't discuss other students confidently, and some students haven't a fashion knowledge. So
I think fashion is not good for students. If I talk about farewell party in the college, so many people does not attend farewell party because they think that where we have to wear good dresses. That
It's my Payal, and according to me, some people distractions. Fashion also distractions for students, because some students don't have enough money, so they can't purchase new ornaments, new clothes, and they compare other people's or other students. That
As soon as students saw other people wearing the trending and distracting clothes, so they will start comparing themselves with others, and that is not good for them. It will ultimately down their morale.
Hello everybody, it's me Gungun, and according to me, fashion is not destruction, because we have seen that in other people they wearing good clothes, but you don't wear good clothes, so you feel uncomfortable. But that time you wear good clothes, so you feel like comfortable, and I think that fashion is not destruction.